Hello guys, welcome to Gadgets Technology. In today's video, we will be sharing some of the futuristic gadgets with you that will make you amaze, and you will also get them from Amazon and eBay. So don't worry, just enjoy gadgets. These gadgets will make your life better than ever. Let's get started with our video. Light bulb with camera. This light bulb is made to give you video surveillance in your home garage or at work 24 hours a day. It does all of its jobs perfectly. This camera can be used for lighting and video surveillance. It has a 360-degree viewing angle, a full HD lens, and night vision. However, the most important feature is that it can send alerts to your phone if it detects suspicious movement within the time you set. It is the perfect plan, is it not? If you can watch videos in real time and control the camera from a distance. Smart combination lock with fingerprint. A multifunctional combination lock is another device that will help protect your home or at least one of the most important rooms. You can open it in 5 ways. With your fingerprint, you can store up to 95 fingerprints in the lock's memory with a secret code with an ordinary key by knocking 4 times on your smartphone in your pocket or just by shaking your phone. The anti-peek password feature is important to note. You can type in an infinite number of numbers until a secret combination shows up. Even if someone is watching you, they would not be able to figure out the password. The batteries can be used up to 8,000 times, and the lock will let you know when it's time to change the batteries. Wacom Express Key Remote. And here is another wireless remote that can be used with a number of graphic tablets. It has 17 buttons that can be programmed. Even though it is small, this thing can last up to 160 hours on a single charge. If you need more than one remote, you can pair up to 5 and use them all at once. Pocket Mini Projector. If you have been wanting a home theater, now is your chance. A small, inexpensive mini DLP projector that you can always carry in your pocket. This device is about 5 by 5 centimeters in size. It has a 3.5mm jack for headphones and a slot for a micro SD card for home use. With such a fashionable jump rope, you will train not only attractively but effectively. After all, it synchronizes with your smartphone or remote. Bullet puzzle. If you need more unusual stuff, check out this bullet puzzle. It includes 6 interlocking sections that look like actual rounds. This thing is pretty easy to disassemble, but putting the pieces back together gonna take some time. Boots Kangaroo Jumps. If you like new experiences that are also good for your health, you will love 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 boots. You can choose between jumping at home or doing special fitness Congo jumps. Either way, if you like new experiences that are also good for your health, you will get a great cardio workout, and just looking at these pain gurus is fun, is it not? Logitech G13 Game Board. This is a powerful game board with 25 programmable keys and an analog stick. It has been on the market for a while, but it is still popular and keeps getting good reviews. Right out of the box, it comes with settings for a number of popular games, and it has a LCD screen that shows your game stats and messages from other players. The built-in palm rest and ergonomic design make sure that your hand would not hurt after hours of playing. Xencelabs Quick Keys. Here are some cool PC accessories that will make your workspace and gaming setup better. For example, this keypad is a great tool for designers. It can connect to your computer wirelessly or through a USB cable. It has 40 customizable shortcut keys and works with all professional software, no matter what operating system you use. You can change the brush size and other settings quickly with the large backlit dial. Polymorph Titanium Carabiner Multi-Tool. This compact carabiner is no less functional. You see that little wheel? It combines a bunch of screwdriver heads and a hex wrench. Gaming Desk by Desino. The desk can hold up to 250 pounds. The carbon fiber surface is sleek and durable at the same time. And here comes the coolest stuff on top of that. You get a cup and a headphone hook to keep everything handy. So I imagine this desk will be useful to people other than gamers. We hope that you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Gadgets Technology.